Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hi guys! Surprise! My hair is black and I got bangs and I got a hime cut. I'm gonna do Susie's makeup for the 59th Peksang Awards, Art Awards. Yeah, I saw the pictures and I was like, I have to recreate this. I've already done my base. Yeah, I used 2 cushions and these are my favorite right now. So recently I've been trying red pepper chili paste. It's literally red pepper chili paste to plump my lips. And the concept of it makes sense. Like when you eat spicy food, your lips like plump up. So I'm going to keep it on for a minute or 2 and then I'll rub it off. So I washed it off. Already looks plumper because when I washed it off, I think it wiped off a bit of my foundation. But it looks bigger. So then I'm going to use my balm afterwards. I'm slightly going to overline with it. Ta-da! Less painful lip fillers. Oh my god, I really like it. For my lenses, I applied circle lenses. I used a natural brown one because our eyes are very round and big. So, you know, I'm actually obsessed with the NovaBeauty soft brown eyebrow pencil. I used soft brown no matter what color my hair was, like red, blonde, brown, black, soft brown. I've been using it to line my lips and also to contour my aegyo because it's very this color in particular is cooler, so I feel like contouring with cooler tones is the most natural way and also the most effective. I don't think I've done my aegyo on camera before, but I basically just squint my eyes and then I start from the corner and then I go all the way to the end. Just a flat brush and then blend that out. So this is the palette I'm going to be using for the eyes. It's the Smoky palette and you guys know I love this palette so much. I'm going to get the NovaBeauty I05 brush. It's a really big blending brush and I'm going to get the shade Shade. I start off all my looks with this color because it's just the perfect neutral shade. And also, speaking of neutral, I realized, because for the longest time I thought I was a warm tone, but sometimes I thought I could pull off cool tones as well, and then I thought I was a cool tone when I was blonde, but then I realized I'm a neutral because like in my veins I heard like if it's green and blue then you're neutral. Okay, next I'm using this shade Smoke. So I'm gonna put that all over my lid, in the outer corner too. And then I'm going to take the color Fantasy. Yeah, you can't really see it here, but it's more of like a champagne-y color. It looks grey on camera. So I'm gonna place that on the middle. So it just adds a bit of shimmer. NovaBeauty gel eyeliner ASAP. It's jet black and I think is the most important part of this look. I actually think about it. I might not do this part on camera because I look really ugly every time I do my eyeliner, so I might speed it up, I don't know. But basically I'm going to tightline and also put it on the top here to then smudge it out and then smoke the line out a bit. It's getting in the way. Should I zoom in a bit? I think I should zoom in a bit. Yeah, okay, so you can see better. I look like an egghead, oh my god. How many times have you seen this brush? I use it all the time, don't I? Anyways, so then I'm going to take the shade Mood, go over my eyeliner and smoke out that liner. So I'm going to use this color Sugar here. Okay, with the same angled brush, I'm gonna take Mood. So I'm first gonna go in my inner corner. I'm going to take that line all the way across and then leave it here. So I'll make that line kind of extend. Nora! In with the bronze palette and using the pink shade to put underneath here. Back with the smoky palette, I'm going to use this color Dare, like a flat brush, and I'm going to use it here. Bit of sparkle. So I'm going to take some glitter and then put it in the middle of my eyelid. Okay, I did my lashes and it is these ones. It's by NovaBeauty Dolly Wispies. I've been using it a lot. And now for blush, I am going to mix two. So one is like pale pink and one is even paler. So I'm going to use Days, which is a light orange but it has hints of gold in it, which I think will be pretty. I'll use Rosette, which is kind of a nudie pink, but it's a bit darker. Just in the middle. I think I'm done. I am done with the look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe, and I will be back very soon with another video. I'm trying to do a vlog, but I'm really boring. I don't do anything, but I'll try to upload more consistently. So I'll see you next time. Bye.